Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the Python casting. Python casting means we want to convert the data type of the value. Suppose I have assigned a number value into one variable and I want to convert that number value to string value. String means alphabets. Okay. So how we can do this? So in this example, I'm going to cover same things and I will let you know the impact of converting the data type. So see here, first example here I'm storing the x equal to 1, y equal to 2.18 and z equal to 3 in inverted comma. So Python automatically assign the data type here. So for x, I have stored 1. So automatically it will convert as a integer data type. Python is enough mature to convert your data type after taking input. But in y, I have taken 2.8. 2 is a float data type. Okay. Float data type means we can take decimal place in float data type. In Z, I have taken inverted comma 3. It means if we are storing any value within a inverted comma, that is a string. So Python automatically assign the data type. And normally I have taken the output print x, y, and z. So your output is 1, 2.8, and 3. So whatever value is there, same value you are getting as a output. But second example, I have converted same value into float. So see here, x equal to float 1. Float means 1. If I have taken here 1, so it will converted as 1.0. Why? Because of float. Float, I have already told you, float means decimal data type. Okay. So in float, I have stored the float value. It will not change anything. But here I have converted the string data type into float. So your output will be 3.0. So see here, same output 1.0, 2.8, and 3.0. Now in third example, I have taken string as a S1. This is a perfectly fine. This is already in string. But string 2. So string 2 is here I have passed the number value, means integer value I'm passing, but I'm converting that value data type as a string. Now I have taken 3.0. This is a float data type, float value. So float value I'm converting into string. So you can see here your output will be S1. S1 is perfectly fine. 2. 2 is this value is converted into string, but you are not aware it's converted or not. I will give you another example. Whenever you can easily understand, if I'm converting the string data type, then you can't do any mathematical calculation on 2. Okay. Same as string 3.0, here you are getting same output. So now I will give you practical approach. What is the impact of converting the data type? First I will give you same example, then I will give you practical approach and impact of the converting data type. So see here I'm moving on code window. So my code window is here. So I'm just opening the Python basic code and then I will get a new notebook where I will write down same code. Okay. So here I will declare my my first variable is val1 equal to, here I'm taking 2. Val2 I'm taking 2 point, sorry, here I'm taking 5.8. In third I'm taking here val3, I'm storing 3. Okay. Now, whenever I will print the value, your output will be same because Python automatically assign the data type of manually entered value. So here your output will be same, no impact. Print print val1 comma val2 comma val3. Run it. Control enter. So see here 2 is a first output, first variable's output, 5.8 is a second variable's output, 3 is a third variable's output. Okay. Now, so see here, I'm just converting this value, val1, val2, and val3. I want to convert into float. So your output will be changed. So see here, my variable one value I will store into val 5 equal to, here I will take float and I will utilize same val 1 value. So this 2 is stored into val 1. So 2 will be converted into float. So your output will be 2.0. Okay. Second, val 6. This is just another variable float. Then I will take here 5.8. 5.8 is stored into val2. So I'm just using these variables here. Okay. Then I will take here third variable val7 equal to float. Then I will take here val3. Val3 is a string. So this value will be converted in float and your output will be 3.0 if you convert into float. So see here now output. So print, and here you need to utilize all these three variables. So now converted value I have stored into these three variables. Okay. So here you need to pass print, sorry, print val 5 comma val 6 comma val 7. Okay. Now I just comment this line. So I'm just taking this hash, run it. So see here, your all the value 2 is 2.0, 5.8 is 5.8 because it's already in float. That's why no change. String value 3 is 3.0 now. So that's why float is used to convert your data into decimal place. So it's converted. Now I will let you know the impact of the converting string. So now I want to convert this value into string. So let's see if I'm converting into string, what will be impact. So see here, now I'm taking here val 8 equal to, I'm storing here string data type I'm converting, and here I will utilize val 5. Now val 9 equal to string data type, and here I will take val 6. This is the val 6, and then I will take here val 10, and here I will take string, and here I'm taking val 7. Okay. Now I run it. So you need to write here print now val 8 comma val 9 comma val 10, run it. So see here you are getting error. Why I'm getting error? I'll let you know. So actually I want to take output as a addition. So here you need to take plus symbol. Here I have taken the comma, that's why I'm getting error. So here you need to take this one, run it. So as of now you are getting still getting error. So here region of the error is, so val 10. So here you need to write val 10. 10. Okay. So run it. So see here you are getting concatenated. So 2.0, 2.0 is this value. I have converted into float. So you are getting, and 5.8 and 3.0, all three value is concatenated here. Okay. Suppose here I'm storing like here I'm taking only manual value 20, and here I'm taking 30, and here I'm taking 40. So it will concatenate 20, 30, 40. See here, you are getting this 20, 30, 40. So this is the impact of uh, converting data type into a string. Then you can't do any calculation. If I do not convert into string, so see here I'm just writing in this way. Suppose Here I'm writing, I'm just removing it, string. Okay. Normally I'm storing. So see here, normal value I'm storing, and I will utilize the plus symbol to calculate. Now value will not concatenate. Value will be calculated. See here, 90, 20, 30, 50, and 40, 90. So this is the impact of converting data type. Thank you so much for this video.